We are asked to solve for x here. So there are a few things that we need to remember from our grade 10 mathematics. Right, remember the square binomials. Do you remember the square binomials? Let's say if you have x minus y squared, okay, we can just expand this by saying we square the x there, becomes x squared, and then we take the sign there, which is negative, and then 2 times x times y, which is 2xy, and then you square the last term, the y there becomes plus y squared. So the last term is always positive, okay? And then if it is positive, it's x plus y squared. Sorry, it's going to be not the y, the squared is not here, it's outside. So it's x plus y squared there, and then it becomes x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So we can use that here to expand these two, should I call them terms? Okay, right. These are the components of the equation. So here it means our 3x becomes 3x squared minus 2 times 3x, and then times 1, and then plus 1 squared. Okay, see that? Then you'll be done with that first part, the left hand side of the equation. The second, the right hand side of the equation here, you just say x squared plus 2x times 1, and then plus 1 squared. You see that? So we're using the square binomial. So this becomes 9x squared minus 6x plus 1, and then is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. So we have like terms on both sides of the equation. So this plus 1 and the positive 1 there, they will go. So we remain with this. We can bring the x squared to the other side, or to the left hand side. It becomes 9x squared minus x squared, which is 8x squared. Right, and then negative 6x minus 2x is negative 8x, and then is equals to 0. You see that? And then now we can factorize here. Do we have anything common? Remember, factorization, think of the highest common factor. Right, do we have the highest common factor here? Yes, we have, which is 8x, and then it's going to be x minus 1 is equal to 0, meaning that it's either 8x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Okay, so those are the answers. But let me show you if maybe you didn't want to use the square binomials method. So you can use the longer way of doing this. Okay, so you can say 3x minus 1, and then times 3x minus 1 is equals to x plus 1, and then times x plus 1. Don't forget, you are squaring these things, so you are multiplying them. They must appear twice. These factors must appear twice. So you say 3x times 3x is 9x squared, distributing, and then 3x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Sorry, 3x times negative 1, negative 3x. Then negative 1 times 3x, negative 3x. And the negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Then we come this side, do the same thing, x squared, distribute. I didn't distribute everything here. Okay, it's fine. And then distribute the x squared. You're going to get x squared plus x plus x plus 1. So if you check, you're going to get 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1, which is just similar to this. And then from there, you can just continue, and then you'll get these answers. Okay.